Well, hey guys, here's my HP with its cover off. Here's the work I've done on the LED power light. I installed the light, soldered it, put some electrical tape only on one of them because I didn't really have any more tape. And here's the video card I installed. And here's the box that it came with. It's a Diablo Tech. This is what came inside with it. A S-video to TV or a jack. The driver CD, the getting started guide, and here's where the video card came in with this. Let's go ahead and see the rest of the motherboard. Now, in order to do that, you have to move this part out, and to do that you have to get that latch to unlock, or that latch up, I don't know. Well, here, look. There, just like so. Here, let me set this down. It's out now. Look. Okay. Here's the RAM. One of them is 256 megabytes, another one's 128. There's the original Xbox fan I put in. The original fan broke, didn't spin anymore. And here's the onboard video. It's a ATI 3D Rage Pro Turbo AGP. Oh, and here's the AGP slot. AGP two times, yeah. And all the capacitors are still looking good. There's nothing wrong with them. And let's go ahead and close this thing so I can show you the light. Let me put this down. Let me go get the phone. This thing is heavy. Let's have a look at it. Looking good. Oh, surprisingly, I still have the manual that came with this particular computer, which is a getting started Microsoft Windows 98, and there's a sticker here for distribution with a HP PC only. And I still have the certificate of authenticity right here. I think it's cool. Here's the back of the manual. Let's look at the pages. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Later.